Are your Loom videos stuck on private, leaving viewers with access denied? In under 2 minutes, learn how to switch any Loom video to Open. First, we'll open Library and select your video. Then we'll head to Share, adjust General Access, and pick Open from the dropdown.
Start by clicking on Library to go to your videos. Then click on the video you want to work with. Next, click on Share to open the sharing panel. Look for the General Access section there. Click the drop-down to see your options. Select Open, and just like that, you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.